Experience the benefits of Panchakarma from the comfort of your own home. This modified version of the classical Panchakarma program is designed for those who want to enjoy the benefits of Ayurvedic detoxification and rejuvenation without the need for extensive scheduling and planning. In this video, we'll explain what you can expect from our At-Home Panchakarma program. Panchakarma is renowned as a leading method of eradicating waste, called ama, from the body using a combination of 5 purification procedures in order to provide a complete rejuvenation of the cells in our bodies. With the at-home version, the emphasis is on internal cleansing for better health. The benefits of an at-home Panchakarma program at Ayurveda are vast. This program is designed for you if you are suffering with an illness such as eczema, struggling with stress or anxiety, or missing a sense of ease in your life, or if some other imbalance is troubling you. Many clients come to us for at-home Panchakarma sometime after completing the classical version, or to simply get a dose of rejuvenation. Because Ayurveda tackles the root of the issues, an at-home Panchakarma will not only help address your primary health concern, but will also provide numerous side benefits resulting in an improved quality of life and state of mind. For example, side benefits may include better sleep, improved digestion, smoother, more supple skin, greater energy, weight loss, and more. A classical Panchakarma program last week's requires a significant commitment and a series of body therapies at our center. With the at-home version, the external therapies are excluded, lowering cost with the emphasis being on the internal elements. If you are simply not able to give the priority and devotion that a classical Panchakarma will require, perhaps due to your work schedule, or the type of work you do, or family commitments, then the at-home version is worth considering to give you a pick-me-up when you need it most. Step 1 is to purchase the At-Home Panchakarma program. You can do this easily from the services section of our website. Note that there are 2 versions of the At-Home Panchakarma program: 1 week or 2 week. The difference is that the 2-week program includes an enema element for additional cleansing and effect. If you haven't already had one, you'll start with an Ayurvedic consultation with our practitioner. She will listen closely to your circumstances and subsequently develop a custom at-home Panchakarma protocol for you. The consultation includes a written, personalized diet and lifestyle plan, which you can use to optimize your living to support sustainable good health and wellness. After collecting the supplies from our center, and before you start your ghee or oil intake, we will send you a customized Panchakarma calendar. This will be your day-by-day guide so you know what to do and when to maximize the effects of the program. Take time to study and understand the calendar. Your practitioner will contact you the day before your first day of ghee intake to give specific instructions relating to ghee. Herbs are an important part of the process. They help to ensure progress is optimal. This stage lasts usually 3 to 7 days depending on how your body reacts to the herbs and ghee. The final stage is the enema portion. This is typically 8 days of enemas, which you will administer yourself from the comfort of your own home in the evenings. We will provide detailed instructions so you know exactly what to do and how to do it. Throughout the program days, you'll have access to our practitioner by text and phone call if needed. Your comfort factor needs to be high, and we are here to make sure you get what you need. For maximum outcomes and progress, we will always recommend the classical Panchakarma program. This program is targeted to help those with chronic health problems such as arthritis, issues with joint or bone pain, weight issues, diabetes, severe skin conditions, inflammatory issues, and the like. If you want to get back to your best, then this is the right option for you. However, meaningful progress can be achieved in promoting a rebalance with the at-home program. If your condition is less severe, if you just need to feel more at ease, or seeking a pick-me-up and can't fit a full program into your busy schedule, then talk to us about our at-home program. Whichever program you select, it will be customized for your specific needs. This program allows you to select a period of time that works for your schedule, without the need to schedule body therapy appointments. The price of the program can be as little as $400 if you've already had an initial Ayurvedic consultation with us recently. So if you're wanting to get your glow back, have better general health, address a recurring issue, feel more at ease, Lose some weight sustainably, experience that spring in your step again. All with a fully plant-based, natural method, proven for many millennia. Then an at-home Panchakarma may be a good fit for you. Scan the QR code to purchase your program. Here are a few words from a client we recently served. She says, recently, Dr. Rao treated me for my extensive food allergies and eczema. She recommended an at-home Panchakarma. After 1 month, my eczema and allergies are gone. It was an intense, exhausting process, but when it was completed, I felt amazing. We look forward to seeing you at our center. In the meantime, we wish you nothing but bliss, and of course, wellness.